campus infrastructure is the bedrock of the entire digital ecosystem, delivering seamless, high-capacity wireless coverage for every user across every inch of the campus. Shifting the focus from deployment to high-performance lifecycle management. Implementing robust network authentication and secure access control. Leveraging generative AI to push the boundaries of academic and scientific excellence. Ruijie's scenario-based innovations are engineered to evolve with the shifting demands of higher education.